Talaga? Talaga? Happy kayo na natapos na yon yung ano na yon? Okay. Okay, I'm just talking to our floor director key right here, MJ Homon. Knocks down that jumper to open up. No, it's 66 to 53. 66 to 55 now. So it was ruled as a 3, rather.
Should have been a foot on the line though.
Dario, three-pointer, in and out, rebound, Cuevas. Takbo ulit ang Parañaque. They have managed this game very well. They are within striking distance.
Yes.
Kaya nila tong habulin.
Yes, very much.
Cuevas could not hit. Homo misses on the tip-in.
He's just frustrated on himself for missing that shot. MJ Olmo.
Sarao inside. He scores. JP Sarao, all business right there.
And really just staying the course here for JP Sarao. Been on the bench for quite a while. Turns in the fourth, scores a bucket.
Papa, 40 to 12 inside scoring. Takbo ulit ang Quezon. Diego Dario pushing the pace. Dario to Tagle, back to Dario. Diego goes to Tamsi. Magbuhos. Tamsi open. No good. Loose ball, nakuha ni Homo. Tumatakbo ang Parañaque. Dave Moralde for 2.
Well, good quick finishes here. And Parañaque Patriots still hanging on here. You're down 11, but you're in a good spot.
Dario to Tagle. Zona ang Parañaque. They move the ball around. Quezon. Sarao in the middle. Ball is loose. And everyone diving for that loose ball. And guess who is there on the scene?
Oh, yeah.
My good friend, MJ.
Bang klase si MJ talaga. Kung nasan yung bola, nandun eh, no?
This is the Assist of the Game, brought to you by 1xBet, the title sponsor of the MPBL. Your choice, your victory. Feel more game with 1xBet.
And you know what's surprising about MJ? He is their second best offensive rebounding player. That little guy has close to 3 offensive rebounds per game. Tagle, who missed from 3.
Cannon with a rebound now with MJ Homo. Nagmamadali si MJ Homo. Blocked by LJ Gonzalez. Parang may galit yung palpal na yun. Galing kay LJ.
So, he's had enough. Kanina mo pa kami pinahihirapan.
Kaya nga.
Pero favorite side na layup yan ni MJ yung left side ng floor. That's where he's very comfortable finishing.
Moralde, the kick out. Jasper in the middle, challenged by Sarao. Rebound, Tamsi. Keeps the ball. Mantagle.
Oh,
That's offensive interference.
right, tumama eh.
Basket interference ang tawag kay Lander Cannon.
Feeling ko ginamit niya yung pagtapik ng board para matigil yung takbo niya. Bilis rin ang baba niya. But Jasper Cuevas, I felt, should have already taken that shot earlier with that closeout. That closeout was late, but he still put that ball on the floor, allowing the defense to rotate. Kaya nag-miss yung floater niya down the middle of the lane, which resulted in that fast break for the Huskers.
Bati natin mga nanonood sa Nitoy Sisig, Kapampangan. AJ Bitog ang may-ari niyan. Siyempre si Robbie Celis.
Jacob Galicia?
O, Jacob Galicia pala.
Oo.
Nahihiya ka pa mag-message sa akin, ha? Kay Coach Mike mo pa dinaan, ha?
Oo nga.
Para hindi tayo magkaibigan, ha? 68 to 57. No, it should be 70 to 57. Eman Tagle from the corner. That's a 3. Eman Tagle. He's been reliable from beyond the arc.
Yes.
Extends the lead to 16.
Yes, he's been. He's one of the top 3-point shooters para dito sa Quezon Huskers. He's a good 35% from there. And the thing is, yung palaging nalilibre yung corner na yun. That left side corner has always been that triple gap available for the Huskers to take a 3.
MJ Homo gets a breather. Allen Papa din.
Shot clock 13 seconds.
16-point lead for Quezon. Cannon inside. Demo for 2.
From Lander Cannon.
8 points now for Dave Moralde.
And 4 here in the fourth. I think he's seated the entire third quarter. He's had 4.5. Now he's got a couple. Oh, no.
Inside, Sandagon for 2.
Thought that was going to be another dunk for Simon. And they have left, interior passing really for the Huskers to just go get it.
Two former teammates going at it here. Daming laban sa practice yan last season.
Oo.
Cannon and Sandagon. Foul on Sandagon.
Hep size lamang rin si si Lander eh.
Simon Sandagon.
This is the play of the game brought to you by 1xBet, title sponsor
Steve Brown.
of the MPBL. Your choice, your victory. Feel more game with 1xBet. Sandagon letting the defender fly by. Tagle,
14
pahinga
seconds.
muna. Binalik na si Topeng Lagrama dito. Moralde against Pagaran. 10 seconds to work with. Moralde pa rin. Shot clock down to 3 seconds. Dave will fire a 3.
Way
Air
off.
ball.
Shot clock violation.
Not a good possession para dito sa Parañaque Patriots. This is the biggest lead of this game. 16.
Yeah. Ito, papabati din. Eric Acuña, our good friend, player dati ng Bacorto. Joey Escaniel, kasama niya nanonood sa Batangas, sa Barangay Kalingatan.
And Batangas gonna see action later
Yes,
against Binyan.
gandang laban yan.
Yes. And the Patriots, much as kanina sabi natin medyo dikit, ito medyo may nararamdaman mo na yung separation ng Quezon.
Tama. Pagaran against Moralde. Dave Moralde, mahirap na tira yun. And Castro just stopping the fast break.
Well, number 37, Paulo Castro, his third personal first team foul.
75-59. Halfway through this fourth and final quarter. LJ. Kay Topeng Lagrama. Inside they go. Pagaran misses the jumper. Natapik. Lagrama thought about it. LJ Gonzalez, the catch and shoot. Got it.
LJ Gonzalez, 3!
Wow. And LG just going to work that extra possession made available by that tip rebound by Simon. I think he's already a double-double right now. He's got 14 and 10. The 7 of 9 shooting though from Simon.
Holding ground.
And even impressive as well. The 6 of 8 for LJ as well.
That's right. And those two guys have really led, productions para dito sa Quezon Huskers.
For Lander Cannon.
A 19-point lead now with 4 minutes and 54 seconds remaining. It does not look like Quezon is letting up here defensively. Tingnan mo kung gaano kadikit si Topeng Lagrama kay Castro.
Yes.
Right here. That's last touch on Castro. On Lagrama rather.
They've only scored, 6 points so far itong Parañaque in the fourth quarter.
Mas mahigpit ang depensa ngayon.
Oo. Wala nang space. Wala nang dumadrop down. Lahat nakadiin na talaga.
Quezon with the basketball. Pagaran will lay it in for 2.
Christian Pagaran.
Good leap by Pagaran on that middle drive of that outlet by Topeng Lagrama. And then you knew that there was going to be this run by the Quezon Huskers.
It wasn't a matter of magkakaroon or hindi.
Kailan?
Kailan ang run na yan.
Oo. And the thing is, they've done it defensively as well as collectively as a team. And here, the baseline out of bounds for the Patriots.
Let's see if they can sustain this run here.
They didn't go to that corner exit. Good steal.
Gozum with the steal. And that could be an unsportsmanlike foul on Castro.
Yep. That's the clear path. Without any defender right in front, that obviously is an unsportsmanlike on Paulo Castro. He got beat after that steal. Look at that. Good tip by Will. Off to the races. Nobody in front.
And ang maganda dito, I think more than anything, the good sign is that, you know, Will Gozum moving very well.
Yes. That was a combination of burst of speed, change of direction.
Oo nga.
Maganda yung movement na yan para kay Will.
They've done very well with his recovery, the Quezon organization, as well as, syempre, the player himself. Will Gozum, his commitment and dedication to his recovery.
Oo. And that's what's even more admirable, yung patience, you know, getting to this point after that injury last season in Batangas.
82 to 59. Quezon on their way to another win. Gonzalez pulls up the jumper from LJ, won't go, and Dave Morales secures the rebound. So James Mangajas, he'll fire a three. Blocked. LJ through traffic, Topeng, Tuyero, Pagaran, Nakabuelo. Bigay kay Topeng Lagrama, fires a three. The bounce, nabitawan. Topeng keeps it alive. Bigay kay Will Gozum. Dun sa ilalim, no.
Sikip.
Ang sikip, LJ Gonzalez has it and puts it in for two.
And pretty much offensive rebound dominated by the Quezon Huskers. It's double digits offensive rebound, roughly about 18 or 19 already versus the 8 lang para dito sa Parañaque Patriots. Ooh. Some action there.
Who will the call go against?
I thought that was James and
Yero
involved, yeah.
Oo.
It's a
Double foul.
19 James Mangajas is third.
Early pa lang eh, ayun oh. Nagkadikitan ng paa, binaligan ni James.
MJ Homo comes in for Diego Morante. Alvin Abundo coming in for LJ Gonzalez.
Balik sa laro si Alvin Abundo. For LJ Gonzalez, I think his night is done.
Pretty much. This is the biggest lead at 25. Slowly but surely, they went there. It was at 10 points for quite a while. And then that huge separation leading up to 16, and they've never really looked back.
Ibang klase din to si James Mangajas. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang magawa niya dito. May 20 puntos na siya. Lagrama, Tuyero. Inside, Gozum, scoop layup, won't go.
Steal.
Topeng. He'll take the three and knock it down. Topeng Lagrama.
With his size 8.5 orange shoe.
Yes. On sale.
On sale.
MJ Homo nagmamadali and meron ng foul na nakuha si MJ.
Parang very rare yung player na 8.5 lang yung size ng paa.
Ganun talaga, coach. Meron talaga yan.
Talaga? At the very least, 9. Or 8.5. I don't know, maybe I haven't met enough players to have that
Kaya
sneaker
nga.
size.
And Homo misses the free throw. We still have 2 minutes and 31 seconds remaining. Free throw of the game is brought to you by Extreme Appliances. Ang subok at kompletong appliances brand ng Pilipinas.
Everything over but the final score here.
Yes. They swing it over to Pagaran. Yero. Abundo. 10 seconds to work with. Topeng Lagrama. He'll fire a three. He gets it to go.
2 in a row. Left corner 3. All from Topeng here on its last 2 attempts.
2 minutes remaining in this ball game. Another foul.
That's the game within the game between James and Joshua.
Oo. And pupunta sa linya si James Mangajas.
Gunning for point 21 and 22.
For Christian Pagaran.
I gotta admire the effort coming from James Mangajas.
James Mangajas.
Parañaque undermanned again. They really fought hard, no, para lang to keep it close. And then pulled away tong Quezon.
Last 2
Final 2 minutes of this ball game. 63 to 90, 27 points ang lamang. Hierro, he'll fire a 3. That won't go. Elorde with the rebound. Tingnan natin kung makakabasket pa dito ang Parañaque. There's a wrestling match between Sevilla and Mangas. That's out of bounds. On MJ Homo.
Talaga si MJ. Pagka drumive yan, gagamitin niya yung shoulder niya to attack. He's not gonna extend his arm, but he's gonna use that shoulder to create that separation.
Minute and a half left. Abundo. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Topeng gets it to Hierro. Abundo for 3. Got it!
Grabe yung binahin ng bola na yun. It went from one side to the other side, down deep, then out to the top before that made 3.
Mintes Santres and Sevilla and Mangas getting entangled again.
They're not done yet.
Foul number 19. James Mangas is 4.
30 na tong kalamangan na ito.
Parañaque Patriots.
And pretty much brought about by yung defensive effort nitong Quezon Huskers.
Topping will not rush here. Is a done deal already para dito sa Huskers. Abundo misses the 3. Elorde to Castro, who pulls up. Jumper is good
Paulo Castro.
for Paulo Castro.
Well, the Patriots have had good scoring opportunity, outputs from James Mangas and Paulo Castro, but fourth quarter really has been just all Quezon Huskers.
And look at Topeng Lagrama. Binalik siya dito sa laro. 9 points now. Binalik siya dito sa laro sa last 3-4 minutes to finish this ball game. And look at the way he's finished this game. He went 3 for 4 from beyond the arc.
Yes, impressive. And he just kept going to that left side corner 3, which pretty much has been, if you chart it, where a lot of the threes of Quezon have come from. And that is because of the triple gap that they've created so much space for the three-point shooter to have enough time to catch it and shoot it.
And it does not look like they will shoot anymore. Topeng Lagrama with 9 points in this ball game. A show of sportsmanship after a heated battle. James Mangas in particular, and some of the front court guys of Quezon.